My video is about removing the malicious pop-ups related to the site veleuseplenka.com. These pop-ups are absolutely fake and truly deceptive. What they try to do is to mislead users and to make them eventually forced to download and install certain unwanted browser extensions. If you see these pop-ups on your screen, please be extremely careful, don't tolerate them, and don't install anything that these pop-ups could ever suggest to you. As I said, such pop-ups promote installation of third-party extensions. So if you see these deceptive pop-ups, don't trust them. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly installed, you need to access the menu, go to More Tools, then select extensions, then disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and once it gets installed, start researching the computer with its help.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.